What's guys, it's Sammy Cheese here, back with another video. Now in today's video, I'll be going over the top 5 best 3D games in Scratch, so let's get started. The first game on our list is called Piano Tiles 3D. Now this is a simple game where all you have to do is go to the piano tiles with your arrow keys. It's easier to understand when you watch, so here's some quick gameplay. The next game on our list is a 3D playing game. All you have to do in this game is fly a plane through a series of holes and advance to new levels. Here's some quick gameplay. The next game on our list is called the Helix Jump 3D version 1.1. Now this is a game where you have to move a platform to advance to new levels. Anyway, here's some quick gameplay. The next game on our list is called Jelly Jump. Now this is a game where all you have to do is press space to jump up and advance to new levels. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Here's some quick gameplay. The final game on our list is a flight simulator. Now the title explains the entire game, so here's some gameplay. And that's the end of the video. These videos take hours to make, so if you could drop a like, it would really support the channel. Also, I upload Scratch videos weekly, so subscribe to see those. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace out.